Alright, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to take the rotary shift dial off of current shift module if you're going to update or replace it. This comes out of a 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the 8-speed. Updating it with the Laramie Sport shift dial really comes off in really just 4 steps. First step is actually to use a small flathead screwdriver, really super thin, or you can use a razor blade, and to pry off this top plate here. Once that's pried off, then you're going to use a T25 Torx key to open it up to pull the knob off. So you want to find a spot along here. Just be careful, there is some glue behind it or adhesive to hold it together. But if you could hear it starting to pry, you get underneath it like so. So that's the top piece. And then take your T25 right inside of the center here. I'm sorry, it's not a T25. It is a T20, which I luckily had right with me because I was looking at both of them. And it pops out. A little more. Like so. Now you can take your next one, put it on.